Coinbase Pro announces Shiba Inu cryptocurrency trading. Shiba Inu trading now available on Coinbase Pro. Why is the value of the Shiba Inu coin increasing? These questions will be answered in this video. We also have interesting price pumping news for Shiba Inu, so make sure to stick around till the end to find out. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to get all of our videos. Following the meteoric rise of Shiba Inu in October, when the price of $SHIB rose more than 400%, news emerged that the $8 billion Shiba token wallet moved more than $3 billion in coins. When investors rushed to sell, fearing that the whale was dumping its token on the exchange, the sentiment of the Shiba Inu instantly changed, and the market fell by more than 50%. However, today we are seeing a significant bounce as the bulls are back in play and are currently trying to break the $0.00387 level. Whether $SHIB will rise in the short term remains a matter of debate. However, the long-term outlook for Shiba Inu is strong as the large volume and hype surrounding the cryptocurrency remains strong. In recent news, NFL player Brandon King said he is buying more SHIB and is optimistic. His tweet received over 7,200 likes, which indicates the strong support of the Shiba Inu community. In other news, the Robinhood Shiba Inu petition has just now garnered 500,000 signatures. The petition says, "This petition is intended to kindly request Robinhood to provide Shiba Inu coins for trading." Dogecoin was a huge success for Robinhood and its investors. We all enjoyed the trip. Shiba Inu is a similar meme coin with real potential and has grown by 2,000% in recent weeks. In general, the Shiba Inu sentiment is extremely optimistic due to the aggressive marketing campaign carried out by various exchanges. These marketing campaigns almost always use Shiba Inu to encourage newcomers to cryptocurrency to buy tokens. For example, if you've visited TikTok and YouTube, you've seen ads for Coinbase.com that feature BTC, ETH, and Shiba. Having been in the cryptocurrency space since 2014, this is the first time I've seen such a massive marketing campaign run by cryptocurrency exchanges. Unsurprisingly, the popularity of cryptocurrency is skyrocketing, while Shiba Inu continues to skyrocket. The price of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency rose on Tuesday after Coinbase announced that the meme cryptocurrency will begin trading on Coinbase Pro this week. This announcement came after Coinbase added Dogecoin trading. There has been a trend towards Shiba Inu coin, SHIB, in the crypto community in the past few days. Since the hype around Dogecoin subsided, many new crypto enthusiasts have been busy promoting the Shiba Inu coin. The price of the Shiba Inu also rose sharply in a short period of time, from $0.000002 to about $0.00034, or nearly 1,700%. Benefits. 1. The price of Shiba Inu surged when Coinbase announced that it would start trading on Coinbase Pro. 2. Shiba Inu tokens can be transferred to Coinbase Pro accounts. 3. Around the time of Coinbase announcement, the price of Shiba Inu jumped more than 30%. Coinbase announced on Tuesday that the Shiba Inu, SHIB, cryptocurrency will begin trading on Coinbase Pro this week, after the Dogecoin, Doge, meme was posted earlier this month. The ERC-20 crypto Shiba Inu is considered by some to be a viable alternative to Dogecoin. According to a company listed on Nasdaq, Coinbase Pro users can now transfer Shiba Inu tokens to their accounts. The cryptocurrency market is extremely volatile and unpredictable, and cryptocurrencies that have no reason to be on top are often pumped up. The SHIB coin and network, according to the Shiba Inu website, is an experiment in decentralized, spontaneous community building. The SHIB creators have big plans for this project, and they are currently working on an NFT network based on the Shiba Inu network. The SHIB token is an ERC-20 token compatible with the Ethereum network. The Shiba Inu is known in the community as the Dogecoin killer. Due to the growing popularity of Dogecoin, this cryptocurrency quickly attracted worldwide attention. Around the time of Coinbase announcement, the price of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency jumped more than 30%. According to Coinbase, the SHIB is priced at $0.0000092 and has a market cap of $3.6 billion at the time of release. SHIBUSD and SHIBUSDT order book trading will begin in 3 phases, only with restrictions, and full trading, as soon as enough Shiba Inu cryptocurrency is installed on the Coinbase Pro platform, according to the company. Dogecoin trading started on Coinbase earlier this month. On June 3, the company announced that their Doge BTC, Doge Euro, Doge GBP, and Doge USDT order books are now fully operational. All 3 types of orders are now available: limit, market, and stop. The platform announces that inbound transfers for SHIB are now available in regions where trading is supported. However, traders are currently unable to place orders, and no orders will be executed. SHIB trading will become available after official listing if all liquidity conditions are met. Shiba Inu, SHIB, is an ERC20 token running on the Ethereum network. After the popularity of the Dogecoin meme coin, which the head of Tesla Elon Musk tried so hard to advertise, the SHIB token also became in demand. Especially at the moment when Musk ambiguously hinted that he was looking after a Shiba Inu puppy. The team behind SHIB has also created a decentralized exchange known as ShibaSwap, which allows users to provide liquidity, stake coins, receive tokens from Uniswap or SushiSwap, and exchange them. This is the main difference between Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Will 2021 be the year of crypto memes? While the idea for a meme coin is not new, it has garnered a lot of attention this year and has taken important steps. Dogecoin, Doge, has shown incredible results over the past 12 months, climbing to 73 cents. Elon Musk's views on the popular cryptocurrency continue to inspire Doge investors and attract investor thinkers. Shibarium and #ShibaSwap, we could easily be a top 3 token. What changes, has. Shibano of late seems to have gotten the attention of many and one exchange. That's playing smart and seeks to benefit from this rally by SHIB, is Coinbase. Coinbase has just surprised many SHIB holders by replacing Doge with SHIB. In its app description, one of the major SHIB fans at Shibano News broke the news on Twitter to the entire SHIB army, tweeting, quote, "Update Coinbase is now listing #SHIB in their main description for the app." Now the Coinbase app's description as listed on Google Play reads, quote, "Coinbase by Bitcoin Ethereum Shiba Inu Bitcoin Cash," and on the App Store, which is designed for Apple products, the Coinbase description reads, quote, "Coinbase Trade BTC ETH SHIB." This is amazing and becomes the first time that Coinbase is including SHIB in its app description. What do the Coinbase changes mean? Well, from the look of things, Coinbase is silently appealing to its users to change focus and invest in SHIB. This clearly reveals the huge potentials inherent in SHIB. It also reveals that SHIB has an equal strength to catch up with the top 2 valuable coins by market cap, Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is a great development, and we can say that Coinbase is acknowledging SHIB, single cryptocurrency from the meme category, can compete with Shiba Inu's ecosystem. Most of them are just copying what Shiba Inu has already implemented or plans to implement, and as we know, the idea source Shiba Inu will always take the recognition. Shiba Inu has its own decentralized exchange currency. This was all the latest news for today. Subscribe, click on the bell, and do not forget to write in the comments what you think about this. Everyone, see you soon.